In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a Reaper project as MP3. Now to do this, first you want to finish your project to where it's ready to export. And now let's say this is ready to export over here. You want to go to the top left, click on File, and you want to click on Render. You could also press Ctrl plus Alt plus R on your keyboard, and it's going to open up this as well. Now from here, you want to select your source. It could be everything, selected tracks, items, stems, whatever. I'm just going to go and click on Master Mix. So everything, the entire project is going to be exported as an MP3, and then I'm going to do entire project over here as well, because of course I want to export the entire project. From here, you can select your directory, your file name, and then where you want to render. I'm going to name this over here, like all, over here, just like this. And then you have the options as well, like sample rates, your channels, stuff like this. You can change this if you wanna. I'm just going to leave it like it is. And then you have the primary output format down here. What you want to do is click on the drop down and select MP3 over here, and there we go. That's going to export your project as MP3. So from here, you want to select the mode and of course the bitrate and stuff like this. So if you want to change these things, you are free to do so. And then down here, you have some additional options. You can just click on them to check them if you want these. And when you're ready, double check everything is fine. Double check the format is actually MP3. Click on the render one file. It's going to render just like this, and then you can click on open folder, and it's gonna open the folder where your file resides. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.